Good afternoon, Brenda. Shannon Cowart at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Hyundai Accents. We have several in different colors and packages. Hey, just this year they've introduced the Value Edition, which gets you the very sporty alloy wheels. It gets you Bluetooth, your cruise control, the stereo controls all on the steering wheel for your safety and convenience. But the most important thing you need to know about all new Hyundais is the America's Best warranty. This has a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron the dealership adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. Now, we are in the last week of the month. We're looking to move vehicles. It's been a tough month with all the weather that we've had. So please give me a call. Let's put you in this, or any Hyundai of your choice will make it worth your while. Again, Shannon Cowart at 205-380-6250, or my personal cell, 205-907-4700. Brenda here at Tameron Hyundai. You're going to love the way you're treated. Thank you.